Hey friends, welcome back. So it is the day after Christmas, so I hope you all had a very Merry Christmas. I know I did. But I bought myself a milk frother from Instapot I bought it for myself for Christmas. So I'm going to show you how I make one of my favorite drinks, a matcha tea latte. So here's the ingredients. You need your matcha tea. I have a little matcha kit. You don't need that, it's optional. I'm using oat milk. I like my matcha tea latte a little sweet, so I'm going to use some chai tea spice and vanilla syrup. And then, you guys, that's the Instapot frother right there. And it was about 40 bucks at Walmart, pretty inexpensive. So the first step is, again, I think this one's optional, but I like to sift my matcha. And I find when I don't, I have little chunks of matcha in my drink, and I don't like that. Matcha is not the greatest tasting thing on its own. But yeah, go ahead and sift your matcha. It only takes about a minute. And then add your boiling water to it. You just need just a little bit. You just want enough where you can break up that matcha. So go ahead and whisk it and get out any big chunks that you see in there. And it should look like that. And then this is where I customize my drink. Like I said, I like my matcha a little sweet. So I'm going to add a couple of pumps of vanilla and 1 pump of the chai tea spice. Then I'm going to go ahead and set that aside and put it in my glass. And here is the frother. It has these different temperatures. Today I'm going to use it on just warming first. And I'm going to use this Barista Lovers oat milk. First time using this, and I really like it. It really foams up well. So we're just going to warm up the milk first. And you guys, this machine's really quiet. And as you can see, it's kind of spinning. It's not really making a huge froth or thick froth or anything like that. It's just kind of warming up the milk. And once we're done with that step, we're going to go ahead and we're going to mix that with our matcha mixture. And guys, the oat milk, it's hot but not too hot. Like, you can drink this straight away. You don't have to sit and blow it for 5 minutes. It's ready to go. It's hot enough but not too hot. And now we're going to make our vanilla cream foam. Now, if you have your drinks from Starbucks, you know what that is, but it's the foam on top, and I like it a little sweet again. So I'll put a pump of that in there. And again, it makes it by its own. I use the first light setting for this, and it's perfect. It is perfect, and it has a little sweetness to it. It's thick, just the way I like it. So there you go. Very simple to make. And so that's it. One of my favorite drinks, a matcha tea latte. I made it with the Instapot milk frother. Again, it was about $40 at Walmart. And yeah. So you guys go ahead and like, subscribe, and comment, share, and come back for some more recipes and DIY tips.